Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything, and the wind is awful again today. It is supposed to stop though around noon. Greg and Joe are getting started on this high tunnel again today. They're going to have their work cut out for them. It's just awful, guys, and it's even kind of cold. I mean, with the wind, it seems really, really cold. But I wanted to show you a couple of things. First, I'm going to show you what the wind did yesterday. So check out this. Well, it bit it. It's gone. Another mess to clean up. Good grief. So here is the aftermath. Looks like a bomb hit it. And there is more of it. It's just incredible, guys. Incredible. Can y'all hear that wind howling? So this high tunnel held up like a champ. Thank the Lord. And guys, I'm telling you, we had over 50-mile-an-hour gust, and we had sustained all day 40-plus mile an hour. So I'm not surprised if we didn't get maybe 60 or 70-mile-an-hour gust out here. We have no wind breaks. So when it rolls across that north, there ain't nothing to stop it. So anyway, another thing we did yesterday is we took my pop on a tiny house tour. And some of you guys had asked if you could come along with us, so we were glad to take you along with us. Check out some of these tiny houses that we saw, and it's really making my pop excited, and so we're very excited. We hope to have him out here after the first of the year. This is really kind of a cool little house that I'm fixing to show you, so check this out.
Another one back here. There's your closet thing.
All the electrical stuff.
You could even put another closet over here if you wanted to.
Good door.
Yeah, that's not bad.
This isn't bad at all. This would be your range.
Yeah.
It's your bathroom.
It's not bad. This is the Brazos. The Brazos.
Big shower. I like that.
So this one's called the
Oh, the
Brazos.
washer and dryer. is back
This could be, I guess, well, I don't know.
there. Get a washer and dryer.
Yeah, and you got like a whole nother room back in there that you
There's
could.
a lot of storage up here.
Yeah.
There's the hot water heater too.
What up there?
Oh wow!
The water heater's up there.
Oh, really?
You can make this an off. You could put a day bed in here and make this an office.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, it's, yeah.
Yeah, this is plenty big for the day bed. We could get you a couch, or put your love seat, and then get you a couple of recliners, coffee table.
Which one is here?
Greg says it's the Brazos, the 101.
101?
I'm very impressed with it.
That little office there.
Yeah.
For more information.
I know, I gotta ask Greg how to do that. I forget how to scan. Yeah, and there's storage up there for you.
Sit up here, why don't you me?
So guys, that was a very sturdy little house. I mean, it had the foam insulation throughout the walls. It had the foam insulation under the floor. It comes with the skirting. It comes with the deck. So we were pretty impressed with what we saw yesterday for the money. A lot of great deals out there. We're going to tour a couple of more, but he really, really liked that. It's about 603 square feet, so it'd be plenty of room for him. And we got plenty of room on our property for him. And I'm very excited to get him out here. It's just so hard being separated from him right now, and I just hate for him to be alone. That's just the way it is. I hate for him to be alone. But anyway, wanted to show you the wind damage, wanted to take you on the tiny house tour. We got a lot more videos coming up. I got to get some work done in this high tunnel today, thankfully. I'll be shielded from the wind, and it's heating up in here. It's probably about 20 degrees warmer in here right now than it is outside. So I'll be taking off my coat here and maybe going into a t-shirt shortly. Thank you guys for watching. You're our family. We call you family, friends and family. It's another new word, you know me and my Jillisms. But anyway, got lots more videos coming up. So thankful for each and every one of you. Please continue to keep us in your prayers. Got some more changes coming up that I'll share with you later on in the week next week. So we will be in touch. Take care.